Hello everyone, welcome in the part 3, the final one. Hopefully you're ready to bind off. You have your face cloths as big as you want and you're ready to do that. It will be the quickest one, therefore I recommend it also to put a little bit at the end to have it nicely hang in the bathroom and to dry. If you randomly find me over here, this is a part 3, so I would say and suggest you to go and watch part 1 and 2. I'll try to put the links down below and maybe somewhere over here in the I thing, so click and watch that first. Let's start. Now I think I'm happy with this size, so what I need to do, I need to bind off. I'm going to bind off on the wrong side and see, will I come up with something. So normally standard bind off would be you knit one and then you will pull it through. Over here we'll be doing I think the same way, it's just slightly different. I'm going to knit and then knit the next one and then pull this one through this one. Pull the second one through the last stitch you just knit. And let's see, we'll repeat that here. I know I'm probably not doing it the right way, but it does the job. I'm not saying it's doing the right job. Pulling stitches like this is also interesting feeling. Okay, let's put it back over here. And what do you say? I think it's quite cool. I'm not sure, am I doing it right or wrong? Do I have anyone over here who's done it before? But I found it that I like holding the yarn now in the right hand. And I'm basically just putting like this. So I think this is the correct one. Maybe. Again, the most important thing is to look at the stitch, how it sits on the needle, and do accordingly what we want to achieve. So remember, there's no right or wrong, it's just what do we want at the end. And I like it. So now obviously we have one last stitch, and what we like to do, in any case, you just pull. So last stitch, we're going to knit and pull the yarn through and cut the yarn, but I'm not going to do that. So normally you cut the yarn and weave an end and you will have a nice square, but I want to have maybe something here like a loop, or yeah. So what we're going to do, we're going to keep this one. So we slide back on the right needle and I'm going to knit through it, slide back, knit through it. Sorry, I changed now where I'm holding the yarn, but still left-handed. Maybe a little bit more. Slide, still continue left hand, and I'm just repeating this. So once I have it long enough, I'm going maybe to do one more. Pull the yarn a bit more, cut it. So this is what we have, and I will take tapestry needle and I will just place it over here. So in case someone washed their face, they can dry it. What do you think? Tapestry needle. just to secure it better. Here it is. I hope you enjoy this one. And that's it! You've done it! I hope you made your face cloth. Either your right hand knitter who is trying left hand techniques. I find it quite interesting and quite engaging, I would say, to knit something a little tiny bit and you have to focus so much to make it. Second of all, at least if you tried once, you will have an idea how to show a left hand person how to knit with left hand knitting techniques. So thank you so much for letting me to talk all the time. Now I want to hear and see your comments down below. Are you a right hand knitter or are you a left hand knitter? If you just knit this, yes, you are a knitter right now because you were able to create one thing, so that's for you. Therefore, I'm not going to keep you any longer. Make sure to make more for yourself or maybe for your family members, especially for this Christmas time, Christmas present, something to snag in and put it in. It's a beautiful made in cotton. And I hope to see you in the next one. And in the next one, we're going to open a box full of yarn. Subscribe, like if you like to see more knitting, crocheting inspirations. Till the next one. Bye. One more thing, if you're wondering what I used 100% organic cotton, and you can pick any thickness you want. I picked quite chunky over here, and I think 6mm needles, which would be on the screen US size.